Hi, welcome back. In your previous videos, we explored how Anthropic's computer use lets agent take charge of your computer to handle various tasks. If you missed that, no worries. I've dropped a link in the description below. Today, we are switching gears to dive into browser automation with browser use, a tool that seamlessly connects your AI agents with your browser. Whether you're aiming to streamline your daily online tasks or boost your development workflow, this video is made for you. So what exactly is browser use? It's an open source web automation library that integrates effortlessly with AI models like GPT-4, Gemini, Olama, DeepSeek, and more. But it doesn't just automate tasks, it does so intelligently, navigating dynamic websites and handling complex multi-step processes with ease. For everyday users, imagine automating those repetitive tasks that eat up your time. With browser use, you can effortlessly fill out online forms, track package deliveries, or on social media, schedule your posts, gather insights, juggle multiple accounts without any hassle. For web scraping, you can easily pull out product prices or research info on your projects. This is this will simply free up your time so that you can focus on what truly matters. And for all the developers out there, browser use is a total game changer. It simplifies the automation of UI testing, ensuring your web applications work smoothly across different browsers. Here is what it brings to the table. It seamlessly integrates into CI/CD pipelines for continuous testing, tackle even the most complex web elements effortlessly. You can build intelligent agents that can autonomously navigate websites. Plus, it's free, open source, and highly customizable, so you can say goodbye to expensive tools and cumbersome programming requirements. All right, let's look at some of the live demos. Let's look at some live demo. So these are the demos on the website of browser use. You can quickly glance through them. So this is opening up a Google Docs document and then writing a letter. You can fill in job applications, doing flight searches effortlessly. Okay, let's get into my browser editor. Here is my editor. So first we import the necessary, I've already installed browser use. So, and these are some of the required libraries. And I have my OpenAI key in my .env file. So we can load it up. And if we go down to actual code, so I create a model for ChatGPT, for GPT-4o, and then just create an agent with a task. Actually, the task says, go to Hacker News, show HN, and then give me the first 5 posts. This is one of the simple tasks, but let's see it in action. And I have and the output would be in an object form. So it's a Pydantic class with a list of posts. So it'll get me 5 posts, 5 posts. Let me open up my command prompt and just say Python data trivial.py. So now it has come up. They're setting it up. So it started the task, go to Hacker News, opened up a web browser, and it's quite intelligent, and since it could actually do captures also. It will try to get those posts. Okay, let's get onto the web page. And it has successfully completed retrieving the post. So it's in a nice format too, actually. So it's on the Pydantic of getting stuff. It's got it. So we could do another demo with the form fill. So I have another to go to one of the websites and fill up the with defaults. So I could do the same now. So I could say Python form.py. So we could be quite intelligent and then give more details. So with real details. However, in this, I would like to just use some default values. So it has the default John Doe, some email address. So yeah, it is quite neat that it can fill up the forms. So we could use this for software testing of any application. There you go. And then it would try to do the capture too. Okay. I'll stop this demo here just to show you how it can be effective in your automation process. So you can head over to the GitHub website, and all you need is Python, install Python, and then once Python is installed, we need to pip install browser use, and then the other requirement is playwright. If we've set these two things up, then we are able to start our own agents. And they have also a browser use UI, web UI, that you could install. So once you have installed the web UI, you have quite, this is UI on top of the agents. So this gives flexibility to test it quite quickly. So all the LLM providers, the supported LLM providers are given. OpenAI GPT 4.0 with O3 Mini, up to O3 Mini. And you can set up your other configurations. So you could use your own browser too, so that all of the validations or passwords, everything are picked up without inputting any of, without giving it to the headless browser. So this is one of the tests like previously we have done, you have seen. So I could just do run agent. So it just opens up, open the google.com and then looks for OpenAI. And then there is a deep research which they added recently, but I would still prefer the GPT researcher in my previous video. In case you haven't watched it, I'll drop that also in the link. it should come up very soon. Yes. So once still trying to find the URL. However, you get the gist of this browser use, and it would be very effective to start using multiple agents within your code to automate most of your processes. It's completed. So it has come back with the final result of openai.com, and then you have the model thoughts and how it actually went through. So this is the deep research I was talking about. So you could compose the reports, and these would take some time to uh, do the research. So it would spawn off multiple agents to get the report done. This is with browser use, so which would be effective for your use case in automating web browsing tasks. Thank you for watching. Bye.